Good morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm super excited because I am going towards the desert with Faraz bhai. We are going to do some desert dune bashing. Super excited for it, and he has a beautiful vehicle. So let's wait for him to come and head to the desert.
Time for weekends. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes.
So we just reached the start point of the desert thing. Everyone is just reducing air into their jeep. Some cool vehicles here.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes
My body wanna
tonight.
play. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go hard all the way up into outer space. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go hard all the way up into outer space. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go hard all the way up into outer space. My body wanna play. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Cash out, cash out, cash out on the runway. I got that extra money on the runway. Cash out, cashing out the money. I got that extra money. Go hard all the way up into outer space. My body wanna play. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go hard all the way up into outer space. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Go hard all the way up into outer space. This is how we rave. Party every day. What you want me to say? I got that extra money on the runway. Cash out, cash out, cash out on the runway. I got that extra money on the runway. Cash out, cashing out the money. I got that extra money.
Just got back from the desert, filling up air in these jeeps, and then heading back home. I hope you guys enjoyed the content, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till next time, take care, drive safe, cheers.